Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds to Lite with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, you need to click Add Device button at the right top, but if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So click on it. In this window, you need to select Bluetooth. Oh, and of course the Bluetooth should be turned on. Okay, after that, open the charging case, and at the right side, right here we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side start blinking white. So press and hold. Okay, we have it. And now you will see your headphones at the device list, and you need to also click on it. Then click Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.